Okay, let's see if we can make this one come up a treat. Wonder how big we're going to make it. Going to heat it up to 200. Contrast, we're going all the way. Copy density, I'm going to lighten it a fair amount. Hopefully this will turn up a treat. So let's see how we go with this. Alright, what is it we got? We got here, I think it's called a tutu, a children's tutu. So let's see if we can make this children's tutu look really nice. I think this side might be the better side. So we're just going to put the tutu on the glass in the corner there, like so, and let's see how we go. We're just going to leave the dock feeder open for a nice three-dimensional effect. We don't want it to be pressed flat. We want those holographic flowers to sparkle. So let's see how 200% does any justice to this children's tutu. Yeah, actually that's quite nice. And you can see the little sparkly bits. I still think I could make a better angle for it, but at least you can see the holographic bits sparkling, which is really, really nice. We're just going to tilt it further on an angle, because I like the angles better for mirror images. So let's see how we go with that. Alright, let's see how this little tutu looks. That looks a lot better. It got a bit of the, but I think that'll add to the appeal of it. So I'm thinking, I'm not sure, totally satisfied. There's not enough little flowers there, I sort of feel. Just wondering if we're gonna rearrange it, or we're gonna just continue with the job. I'm actually thinking we're gonna rearrange it. So I'm gonna think maybe I can move it across a bit further. Maybe there'll be more glitter there. So I'm not sure. Sorry, folks. It's not easy getting it right. And sometimes I just want to cut corners and get the demo done, but I've got to make sure the demo is done properly as much as I can. Make it look good. So there seems to be less flowers in this image, although I do like this little bit there. That one looks really nice. Just wondering, maybe, what can we do to make this look better? What can we do, folks? We're just going for the button. I'm thinking we're going to make that little sparkly bit in the top the feature of the job. I would have liked to have seen more sparkly little flowers on that piece. We'll just see how we go. Because I really like that little bit up there. So that looks really nice. So we're going to make that the focus of the job. I'm actually thinking maybe if we enlarge it bigger, we could feature it better, but we don't want to lose all the rest of the detail. We've got to have something interesting. I just got a gut feeling. This is not working, folks. Again, I'm changing my mind. I'm going to just totally redo this demo because I want a good demo. I'm actually thinking to get more detail, we need to make a smaller enlargement so we can have more of this glorious sparkly detail in the job. It may not be as close up and nice, but it's nice to have heaps of little flowers on the job. So let's see how we go with this. Stabilizing image, please wait, is what Konica Minolta says on this machine, so as to speak. So I'm hoping this will come up a treat, because I want to see more of the dress as well as the sparkles. I want to see more of the texture in the image. So I'm actually thinking that looks a lot better, I'm pretty sure. It's not the greatest, but as a mirror image, it'll come up looking good. I'm sure it will. So I'm going to now press on with this. I've decided to change my mind partway through, which I should have changed my mind earlier and just gone with my intuition instead of trying to get this done. I get really disappointed when I don't put enough effort into a demo and it comes out looking second rate. So I get really pissed off, really upset when I don't do a demo as well as it could have been done, especially if the original looked really promising. Now we've got a lot of curling on this, so it's going to make this job a little bit more difficult to try and make it look good. But I can't help the curling. That reminds me, I've got to get some more damp rid for my paper cupboard, because that's probably why, because I have to change the damp rid. I forgot to go when I went shopping today to get some damp rid. Hopefully tomorrow I can do it before the paper gets damp, because I have to have a shower and I have to open the door into the bedroom. So you can see there the door, the shower door. So I don't have a fan in my bathroom, and I can't use the bathroom window because if I open it, the seal around the fly screen gets compromised and I can't keep the bugs out. I don't like insects in my unit. It's really bad enough dealing with cockroaches, but having to deal with moths and their larvae and deal with flies, especially blowflies, I don't like having anything like that in my unit. So anyway, ignore the curl if you can. That looks really quite nice. I think now we can call this demo quits.